Nico Test Squad. Here we test Nico radio-controlled products to the limit. Today, Nico off-road trucks. Can this truck serve our test squad a cold drink? Whoa, hold on. It moves easily through rough terrain. There's your drink. But can it drive down these stairs? Yes! The off-road trucks are super strong and built to last. So, did the truck survive our crazy tests? Of course. It's a Nico.